What should I do if I think I've been a victim of a Cash App refund scam?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be tackling a very important issue, Cash App refund scams. As digital transactions become increasingly common, so do scams associated with these platforms. So, what should you do if you suspect you've fallen victim to a Cash App refund scam? Let's find out.
What is a Cash App refund scam?
In a Cash App refund scam, scammers trick you into sending them money by claiming they will issue a refund for a previous transaction. They may pretend to be a customer service representative and ask for your login details or personal information. Never share your personal information with anyone you don't trust.
Signs of a Cash App refund scam.
Common signs of a Cash App refund scam may include unusual emails or texts requesting personal information, calls or messages from people claiming to be Cash App customer service, requests for payment outside of the Cash App platform. Always verify the source of communication and never respond to suspicious requests.
What to do if you think you've been scammed?
If you suspect you've fallen victim to a Cash App refund scam, follow these steps. 1. Contact Cash App support. The first thing you should do is contact Cash App support directly through the app or the official website. They can guide you through the process and take necessary actions to protect your account. 2. Document everything. Keep a record of all the communication and transactions related to the scam. This information can help Cash App and law enforcement agencies in their investigation. 3. Report the scam. Report the incident to your local law enforcement agency. You can also report it to the Federal Trade Commission in the U.S. 4. Change your passwords. Change your Cash App and related email passwords immediately to protect your account. It's crucial to stay vigilant and informed to protect yourself from refund scams on Cash App. Remember, if something feels off, it probably is. Always verify sources of communication, never give out personal information, and contact Cash App support if you suspect anything amiss. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay safe, everyone.